Welcome. This is the first part of linear relationships. So bananas are on sale for 3 pounds, X, for the cost, Y, of 96 cents. Make a table, graph, and equation to show the relationship between the number of pounds banana bought and the total cost. So you know what? I'm going to make a table. Let me get my pen ready. So, well, this is X. This is Y. They said X is about the pounds and Y is about the cost. So if I sorry, pardon my handwriting. If I buy 0 pounds, it'll cost me 0 cents. If I buy 3 pounds, it says 96 cents. So what would the cost for 1 and 2 pounds be? You know what I could do? 6 pounds. Ah. So what's the relationship between 3 pounds to 6 pounds times two? So 96 plus 96 or 96 times two is $1.92. Or what if I just want to find out the cost is just 1 pound? 96 cents divided into 3 pounds. That would be 3 goes into 9 3 times, 3 goes into 6 2 times, so 32 cents a pound. But what if I want to buy 2 pounds? Each pound costs 32, so two of them will cost 64. So my equation will probably be y equal 32 cents x, 0.32x, because I'm multiplying the number of pounds by 0.32. Now it says make a graph. X, Y, this is the pounds, this is the cost. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's make this, I don't know, 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, a dollar 10, dollar 20, dollar 30, dollar 40. So 0 pound costs 0 cents. 1 pound costs 32 cents. 2 pound costs 64 cents. 3 pound costs 96 cents. 4 pounds, we do not know, but 6 pound oh, doesn't go. So are we going to connect it or not connect it? You are going to connect it. The reason why we're connecting it is because you can buy a fractional part of a banana. You don't have to buy exactly 1 pound at the grocery store. You might buy 1.5 pounds. And so that is a relationship. So, all right, let's watch this video. I don't know if this. So she is a taxi driver. Have you ever been in a taxi? I mean, most of you now, younger generations, do Uber or Lyft. But taxi is what you hire them from any place and they take you from one location to the next. They first charge you a fee, a one-time flat fee. Then they charge you a certain amount per mile. So if you go many, many miles away, it will cost you. If you go a very short distance, it will not cost you as much. So what we're going to be learning is a situation where you are going to be given a verbal description or story. You will have to make a table, an equation, and a graph from it. This is going to be a little different from the typical equation we've been working on. The typical equation we've been working on is y equal, we've been working on like y equal kx. Now you're going to be working with this y equal mx plus b. So you're going to be multiplying and adding. So it's double operation, as some will say. When I visited New York City, I had to get a cab from the airport. And when I go, I usually use LaGuardia. The cab charged $5 per passengers and then $2 per mile. How much will I pay to ride across town when I'm traveling alone? If I'm traveling alone, how much will I have to pay, first of all? $5. So I want to pay $5. Then I'm going to pay $2 per mile. What's another word for per? Each mile. Every mile. So every mile I have to pay $2. So Y is the cost. So what do you think X is going to be? The number of miles. So we're defining the variables right now. Write an equation. Y equal, so I pay $5 plus 2 times the number of miles. So so I'm paying $5. First of all, I have to pay $5 just to get in cab, plus 2 times a mile. Is there another way I could have written that equation? You could write it as y equal 2x plus 5. You could write it as y equal 5 plus 2x. There's so many ways of writing it. If I need to go 18 miles across town in cab, what will it cost me? So if I'm going to use this equation, y is the cost. I pay $5 plus 2 times 18 miles because it costs 18 miles, $2 for each mile. That's 36. 5 plus 36 is $41. If I had chosen to use this equation, which is the same equation, 2 times 18 is 36 plus 5 is 41. Now let's create so our equation is y equal 2x plus 5. So if I go 0 miles, I still have to pay $5 because I entered our cab and I'm about to go somewhere. Because it's 2 times 0 mile is 0 plus 5 is 5. What if I go 1 mile down the street? I could just walk that. 2 times 1 is $2 plus 5 is 7. What if I go 2 miles? 2 times 2 is 4 plus 5 is 9. What if I go 3 miles? 2 times 3 is 6 plus 5 is 11. What if I go 4 miles? 2 times 4 is 8 plus 5 is 13. And now let's make an equation. I already notice that x and y have already been labeled. The axis already been labeled. So 0 miles, I pay $5. 1 mile, 7. 2 miles, 9. 3 miles, 11. 4 miles is 13. Do I connect the dot or not? Yes, you're going to connect the dot because can you ask the cab driver to take you 3.5 miles away? Yes, you don't have to go exactly that mile. So now you're going to be given more verbal situation. Can you create a table, equation, and graph from it? Some people can go from create the equation first, then the table to graph. Some people could do there's many different ways. It costs $2 to download the Rock and Ross music app. Each song costs 25 cents to download. Create a table, graph, and equation to represent how much it costs to buy X number of songs. So if I buy 0 songs, it'll still cost me $2 because you have to download the app. If you go to the App Store, it's not free. So what do you think the equation? Y equal 2 plus. So if I download 1 song, so it's costing me $2 to download plus 25 cents for that 1 song. So that's $2.25. If I have 2 songs, it costs me $2 to download plus 25 cents plus 25 cents is $2.50. $2 to download plus 25 cents plus 25 cents plus 25 cents is $2.75. And here, $2 download plus 25 cents plus 25 cents plus 25 cents for each song I download plus 25 cents is $3. So what is a equation? A better one I can write. $2 plus 25 cents per song. So it's y equals $2 to download plus 25 times the number of songs. Another way you could write that is 25x plus 2. Let's graph that. This is x, this is y. These are the songs. Make sure you label the axes. And this is the cost. So 0 song cost me $2. 1 song will cost me $2.25. 2 song costs $2.50, $3.75, 4 will cost $3. Do I connect the dot or not? No, you cannot download half of a song. Why would you pay for that? Number three, Stacy starts a saving account with $15. So she starts with $15. Each month she deposits $10 more into her account. Create a table, graph, and equation to represent how much money she will have after X number of months. So after 0 months, she has $15. So she starts with $15. After 1 month, she puts $10 more, so it's $25. So she starts with $15. After 1 month, she put $10. After 2 months, she put another $10. That's $20. So it's 10 plus 10. Must be a faster way of getting that. That'll be 35. So she puts $15 she starts with. Then she puts $10 for 3 months. $10 per month. That's 30. That's $45. And then 4 months, 15 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That's $55. What do you think the equation is? Y equal 15 plus what? It's $10 per month, each month. So what? 15 plus 10x, or y equal 10x plus 15. Don't forget to label the axes. These are the months because it's x. And these are the money. I'm not sure why marker's not working as well today. So in 0 months, she puts $15. In 1 month, she puts $25. 2 months, she puts $35. 3 months, she puts $45. 4 months, she puts $55. We do not connect it because it's saying how much you put down that month, each month. All right, so next part, so what we're learning is how to write equation in the form of y equal mx plus b. So the last part of it is just for fun. You are going to create your own different stories and you're going to be sharing it with the class. So for example, you have blank dollars in a saving account. I'll put $7. In order to have enough money for a car, you plan to deposit your, let's say, $100 weekly allowance because you're rich. So after 0 weeks, you have $7. After 1 week, you have $7 plus 100 is 107. After 2 weeks, you have 7 plus 100. 100 is 207. After 5 weeks is 7 plus 100. So each week you get 100, so that's 507. After 10 weeks, it'll be 1,007. So what do you think the equation is? Y equals 7 plus 100 per week, 100x, or 100x plus 7. If I have to graph this, these will be the week. This will be but the money. 0, 1, 2, 3. This will be, say, 50, 100, 150, 200. 0 week is 7. 1 week is 107. 2 weeks is 207. 3 weeks will be 307. And so on. Do I connect it? Not really, because it's every week. Getting money at one time. Last but not least, you learned to scuba dive on your last vacation. While in the ocean, you started at 5 feet, which is below sea level. You then dove at a rate of 2 feet each minute. So where are you now? So after 0 minutes, you're at -5. After 1 minute, you're -5. And you dove down and more, so you're -7. So you're at -5. 2 minutes, you're -2, -2, that's -9. Then after 5 minutes, let's see, you're -5. Then you are 2 feet each minute, that's 5, that's -10, so it's -15. After 10 minutes, you're -5, and then your 2 feet per minute is 20, that's -25. So the equation is y equal -5 plus, oh no, would it be plus? Oh, -2x, or -5 minus 2x, or minus 2x minus 5, -2x minus 5, because it means you go down 2 feet every minute, go down, and you start at 5 feet below. So all these are correct. So 0 is -5, right here. 1 minute is -7. 2 minutes is -9. So this is the minutes. These are the feet. So hopefully you understand. So what we're doing is linear relationship. That means it needs to be in this form. You're going to be adding to something to the x, or subtracting maybe.